Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, we are going to learn about how to generate a pie plot in Python. So this is the code snippet over here. I have copied this code and I have pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here as well as run this for you. So we all are very familiar with pie plot. Basically, it is very essential or it is very useful tool for seeing contribution of quantity X in the total number of quantities. This is just one of the example. For example, you want to see you are visualizing sales of a store. So out of 100% sales, you want to visualize how much how much sales is each store providing. In those cases, you can use pie chart. It can give you a better visualization of how much sales a store is. So now let's get started with the codes. Print format. These are general two print statements. Now from import warnings, I have imported warnings. Then warnings dot filter warnings ignore. I've imported my pandas as pd and imported matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Now I'm creating a data dictionary. So the data dictionary is contains the officer's name and the number of arrests that they did in the following January, February, and March month. After that, I converted this data dictionary into data frame using pandas data frame function. So df equal to pd dot data frame, you need to pass the data dictionary, then the column name. So my column name is going to be the same as a dictionary index. After that, print df. This will print me the my data frame. So after that, I'm creating the total number of arrests for each officer. So df total arrest. This is the way of creating a new column. We just need to write the data frame name, the name of the new column in a square bracket and in a string format, and what is going to be the total arrest, the total number of add-ons for each successive rows. So for January, February, and March arrest, it is going to show me the total number of arrests. Now I'm creating a color for each different officer. For example, yes, sorry, I'm creating a list of colors. So these are the basic list of colors. Now plt.py, I'm creating a pie chart. So df total arrest, I want to create a pie chart for df total arrest. And the label that I should use, that is the label on which pie chart should be made, that is the categorical variable over here. The officers should be the officer name, as I want to visualize how much each officer has arrested, the total arrest that a particular officer has done in the January, February, and March month. Shadow is equal to true. Now this all comes about this all are the commands that I use for aesthetics. So shadow is equal to 2. So basically this is the shadow, you can see over here. This is a shadow that this command provides when you write shadow is equal to true. Now colors equal to color. This means choose colors from this given list. Explode 0 0 0 0 0.10. So you can see there are 5 names. So I want to explode the last. Uh, this is also for visualization. So when I am visualizing, I want to see a particular, for example, I want to see a particular person. Over here I am trying to see Amy. So 0.20, this means the pie chart will stand out for 0. For Amy. If as you can see, the pie chart is out of the total circle, basically it has exploded out by 0.10%. Now if I pass my this to be 0, you can see this all has all the pie chart comes in the same plane. Now so okay, now start angle should be 90, that is it should be the first angle should be vertical, it should start from 90 degrees. Now auto PCT, these auto PCT basically are the values or other numerical values that are written over here. So 1.1 f means it should be a float number and should be given till the first decimal place. Now plt dot axis is equal tight layout and plt dot show. So you can see this was my initial data frame, then I added a new column total arrest time, and I made a final data frame. So when you write when you create a pie chart is automatic. You can automatically understand pie chart is basically the the total ratio of a for example, it will calculate the total ratio of 34 and the total sum of this total arrays, and it will divide the 360 angle of circle according to that. For example, if the sum comes out to be consider the sums comes out to be 300, and this is not 161 but this is 150, so 50% of the share of this circle is going to be given to Molly. So basically 180 this 31.1% is going to be 50% now. So now, okay, so you can see over here Tina, I have exploded out Tina from this. So this is this is how you finally plot a pie chart, and this is how you can create custom pie chart. You can make it more aesthetic using these special commands. So this was all about codes in this video. For more industry relevant project, you can visit our website. For more code recipes like this, you can visit our website as well as our YouTube channel. You can also use this click here function for submitting your request of customized code in case you don't find it on our website. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and the URL for the code of this video is available in the description below. Thank you.